Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can hide rows and columns in the Google Sheet. Alright, so for example, if you want to hide the columns, you can select the columns that you want to edit and then press and hold and select press and hold and select hide column. Alright, to hide the rows, select the rows, press and hold and select hide row. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.